Today, I'll be talking about IELTS listening. That what in actual IELTS listening is all about. This lecture is composed in three different sections. So far as first section is concerned, in this I'll be talking about IELTS listening test format. So far as the second part of this lecture is concerned, which are the difficulties that students normally face and what are the tricks that students they need to apply in order to improve their listening test in an influential manner. Talking about IELTS listening format, so far as its time is concerned, it is going to be a game of 26 up to 30 minutes in which the recording will be played, and in the end you will be given 10 minutes to transfer your answers on answer sheet. So on average basis, it is going to be a show of 40 minutes. Now what listening test is all about? In a statement, listening is going to be speaker oriented approach. Why it is going to be speaker oriented approach? As soon as listening begins, one statement is commonly used. All the recordings are copyright. You will not hear the conversation for the second time. इसका मतलब है जो कुछ भी स्टूडेंट्स ने सुनना है वो सिर्फ एक ही बार सुनना है, दोबारा कुछ भी नहीं सुनाया जाएगा. That's why I am calling it speaker oriented approach. So you have to focus, you need to concentrate. In other words, it is sense of viewing, it is sense of hearing. You have to view on the question paper, you have to hear recordings clearly because nothing will be repeated to you people for the second time. Coming towards division of IELTS paper, it is composed of 4 different sections. Why it is divided into 4 different sections? Each section is having 10 questions. In section 1 you will be having 1 up to 10 questions, which will be a dialogue procedure. In section 2, 11 up to 20, it will be monologue. In section 3, 21 up to 30, again either a dialogue or a discussion of 3 or more than 3 people. And in section 4, it is going to be monologue. Dialogue and monologue. That's why the level of difficulty in listening test, it increases. In first section, 2 members will be discussing. One will be asking question, the next one would be responding to that question. So far as section 2 is concerned, it is going to be monologue. That's why the recording, it speeds up and there is no questioning answering session as compared to section 1. That's why the level of difficulty, it also increases. Same is the case in section 3 and 4, that in section 3 either discussion of 3 or more than 3 people or a dialogue, and in section 4 again a monologue. That's why it speeds up. Another reason behind level of difficulty is that in first 2 sections they will be discussing about social issues which we are familiar with. Either they would be discussing about their Christmas dinner or about kind of goodbye parties or other engagement ceremonies which we are familiar with because same things happens in our localities also. But section 3 and 4, it is going to be academic kind of topics. It is not necessary that a student whosoever is taking his or her test is familiar with the same academic topic which they are discussing. That's why its level of difficulty, it increases. Now coming towards that why students they feel it difficult. Examiner, they use trappers, like they kind of trap student because of the reason that once they are talking about questions answer, they often repeat their answers. So student once hear the answer to anything, they never concentrate on the repeated answer. That's why they lose their marks. They change their statement. That is another reason that why students they are having difficulty in order to get right answer. Apart from that, there are prefixes and suffixes. So you need to keep in mind that either they are using prefix or suffix in order to reverse the answer or in order to reverse your mind map or concentration. Similar is the game that they use synonyms. So you have to be alert while having all these type of trappers which examiners they use. How to do better in your listening test. You need to keep in mind these tricks which I'm sharing with you people. Once you are listening or practicing your listening test, you need to speed up your recording than normal recording. Why? Because of the reason it would give you faster level of focus and concentration. Other than that, you need to listen to only one test. What I mean by listen to only one test, let's say that you practiced one test and in that you are having 20 out of 40. You have to practice the same test till the time you are not having 40 out of 40 in that. And in that you need to do what? You have to analyze your mistakes that you did in the first attempt. You need to analyze the rest of the mistakes in all those attempts till the time you are not having number of rights 40 out of 40 in that. For that, what you will do, you will pass through procedure of self-correction which would give you confidence and you would not repeat those mistakes within the coming time. These are tricks that any student and every student is obliged or is compelled to apply if they want to score good bands in their IELTS listening test. What the rest? If you do have kind of comments or opinions which I have had not mentioned, you are